This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to fix an error that's occurred on your PlayStation 4. Now you have to figure out what kind of game it's actually causing the error. And maybe I have an error on Battlefield. So let's go up to the top, go to settings, and then go on down to where it says storage. Then wait for this to calculate and then press X. And then go down to where it says save data. Now when this happens, you usually have some sort of corrupted data on your PS4. So select the game. And then you'll see the save data in here, and it's going to be corrupted. So press options on it, and then simply delete it from your PlayStation. So this is one way that we can go ahead and do this. Now another way we can do is by launching our PS4 into the safe mode menu. So let's go to power, and then go to turn off right here. Then connect your controller with a cable so we can operate the safe mode menu. And to launch it into the safe mode menu, we want to wait until our PS4 has turned off, so you can see this light is blinking still. Wait for it to stop blinking. And make sure your controller, once again, is plugged in. When this stops blinking, hold down the power button. So it should stop blinking right now. So hold down the power button. You will hear one beep. And then you will hear another beep, maybe like 10 seconds later. Let go. Now go back up to the top. And you're going to see the screen. Press the PlayStation button on the controller and go down to option number 5, rebuild database. Go over to OK. And if you have any kind of corrupted data on your PS5 game or PS4 games, this should go ahead and fix it and remove it from your PlayStation so you can jump back into the game and start playing. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.